Hi, I'm Brandon Villanueva with Baird Foundation Repair, System Design Specialist here, otherwise known as the Foundation Guy. So what motivates me is definitely having the impact that we do as a company in our community, for sure. Being born and raised on the south side of town and knowing at the end of the day, like, we're truly helping people's, most important, purchase that they'll potentially ever make in their lifetime. So definitely one of the biggest motivating factor. In regards to one of my most favorite things into the company, man, it's really just the atmosphere that the Cheneys have created. I mean, it's something that should be sought after. It's going to be very rare and hard to find throughout the San Antonio area, throughout Texas. I definitely am very proud to work for the company, but at the same time very grateful to have owners that care so much about their employees and their community. So it's really cool.